Ever heard of a doctor who caused death simply because he wouldn't wash his hands? It's a true story from history, and it holds a powerful lesson for us today. A doctor named Semmelweis discovered that hand washing could save countless lives in hospitals, but the top doctors of his time, with all their degrees and expertise, refused to listen. Their ego, their pride, kept them from accepting a simple truth, and people paid the price. This isn't just a history lesson, it's happening right now in our companies, in our communities, and even in our own families. We see highly educated people, experts in their fields, who are stuck in old ways of thinking. They have the knowledge, but they lack the consciousness to see a better way. They're like those doctors who were too proud to admit they might be wrong. True courage isn't about always being right. It's about having the strength to say, I made a mistake, think about it. How often do we cling to a mistake just because we are afraid of looking weak or losing respect? We defend our errors, justify our actions, and attack anyone who points them out. But holding onto a mistake hurts us far more than the mistake itself. The real failure isn't making a mistake. It's refusing to learn from it. When someone brings a new idea, especially one that challenges what we've always believed, what's our first reaction? Often it's to attack the person, not the idea. We dismiss them, call them inexperienced, or question their motives. This resistance to change is what keeps us trapped instead of attacking. What if we listened? What if we had a real conversation and allowed ourselves to evolve? There are people like Semmelweis all around us. They might be a junior colleague with a fresh perspective, a friend who sees something we don't, or even our own child pointing out a simple truth. But our ego, our years of experience, often makes us shut the door on their wisdom. Imagine the progress we could make, the problems we could solve if we just opened that door. Real success, real wisdom requires a sacrifice. It requires the sacrifice of our ego. Washing our hands is more than just a physical act. It's a symbol. It symbolizes cleansing our conscience and having the humility to admit I could be wrong. This is the foundation of true growth and leadership. So I want you to ask yourself today, is my ego blocking me from a truth I need to hear? Am I ready to wash my conscience and embrace a better way? The journey to real prosperity begins the moment we let go of our pride and find the courage to learn, unlearn, and improve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that makes you think.